Great. And just so you know, here I put on peut, which is the third person singular, but it means like nosotros. But I think even in Spanish there is something that replaces that. I'm not sure. Like it's third person singular, but it means like we, because we have two. I don't remember it if in Spanish if we have two. I don't think so.
Well, in Spanish we have, in grammar in the books they place usted in third person, and the third person singular and plural, but it's not second. It's not third person. It's second.
Yeah, it's second. Yes, exactly.
They put it on the third because it's conjugated the same manner.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think that tends to confuse the learners.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, but it's the kind of like this in French, but it's to say like nosotros. We have two nosotros, for example. Yeah, so on is the first one. So this one, on, is conjugated in third person singular, but it means nosotros. Yeah, so I'll put it here. So it means like we. But we can also say nous, which is literally the real like first person plural. So this one is really like we. It's really nosotros, like the exact same conjugation on the panel.
Okay.
Yeah. So in France, you will use nous. Nous. You will use nous. In Quebec, we use on. That's why I put on. We use the third person singular more often. Like on va danser. So we will dance. We will dance. So it would be like like I think vamos a bailar.
Es como let's go.
Sí. Yeah, so it's like this.
On va danzar.
Yeah, balance.
Oui, madame.
Oui, super.
Estoy, ¿cómo se dice? I'm ready.
Oh, je suis prêt. Je suis prêt. Super. Ouais. So like that's how like people usually like speak in Quebec. I'm sure your friends like maybe told you a little bit about it, how it's different sometimes like from France, but I mean it's the same thing for you with Spanish. Like in Venezuela, I'm pretty sure you have different words than in Spain or in Mexico, like different words in Spanish to describe things. Yeah.
Sí. Yes.
Yeah.
Oui.
Yeah. Oui. Super. Parfait. Donc, after this, you want to be careful, like, of course, when you introduce yourself. So we can work on this a bit for the rest of the class. So, if you present yourself, what do you know so far?
Je m'appelle Paul. Et
yes.
toi?
Oui, super. Good. Et je m'appelle Vicky. Do you know what you say, like, nice to meet you? Like.
No.
No? Okay.
No, yes, enchanté, ¿no es?
Enchanté, yes.
Enchanté.
It looks like encantado. Yeah, enchanté.
Enchanté, Vicky.
Oui, enchanté. And, you know, in French, you don't have a masculine or feminine for enchanté. So, I think in Spanish you have encantado and encantada. Like, depending if it's a girl or a boy that you meet, but in French it stays the same, no matter who you meet. It's enchanté for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have that. And if ever like you introduce yourself, so d'où viens-tu? Sometimes when people ask you like where are you from, like
d'où viens-tu?
D'où viens?
Está aquí arriba. D'où viens-tu?
Oui. Good. Yeah. D'où viens-tu? Yeah. So like you can see we don't pronounce the S and the V is like in English.
D'où
Like
viens-tu?
Wait, d'où viens-tu?
D'où viens-tu?
Yeah. Good. Perfect. So they'll ask you that most often. Sometimes some people can ask you, where do you live? Like, où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? Did you know this one?
Où habites-tu? No.
Okay. So it's from the verb
me olvidé.
¿Cómo?
Me olvidé.
Oh, yeah, you forgot. Yeah, of course.
Où habites-tu? Où
Yeah,
habites-tu?
où habites-tu?
Où habites-tu? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so, like,
Okay,
where
je habite, je habite, how do you say in? No?
J'habite, in French, it depends what country it is. But for Venezuela, j'habite au Venezuela.
No, j'habite en Estados Unidos.
Oh, aux États-Unis.
Sí.
I didn't know. Okay.
How do you say I am physically?
So, je suis.
Yo suis en los Estados Unidos en Arizona.
Ah, ok. Donc, je suis en Arizona.
Arizona. Je suis en Arizona.
Ah, d'accord. Je vois. Oh, great. Nice. Oh, so you moved from Venezuela and you went to...
¿Cómo se dice tener?
Tener,
trois meses en Arizona.
Oh, okay. No, d'accord. So I have been in Arizona for 3 months?
Sí.
Okay. So, donc, in French, it's very different. Okay, for 3 months. So you would say, ça fait 3 mois que je suis en Arizona. So the way it works in French, yeah, so you wouldn't say like I have. We wouldn't use tener in French. We use hacer. We use faire.
Ça fait 3 mois que je suis en Arizona.
Ouais, fais attention, be careful for the accents, but yeah, ça fait 3 mois.
Fait 3 mois.
Que je suis. En Arizona.
En Arizona.
Good, perfect. Yeah, so like structure-wise, like with the grammar, so we don't say like I have been. We say it has been, actually. That's why ça fait. In French, that's how we say it. Like, it has been 3 months that I am in Arizona. But yeah, it's weird because we can say it in English too, but we cannot say it in French. There's only one way. Yeah. I'll take notes here. Only one way to say I have been somewhere. Donc, ça fait. Like this. Okay. Good. Donc, ça fait 3 mois. Bien, et pourquoi? Pourquoi es-tu en Arizona?
Pourquoi es-tu en Arizona? Se dice I am.
Je suis.
Je suis enseñando español.
Enseñando? No comprendo. ¿Qué quiere decir?
To teach.
Ah, ok. Je suis en Arizona.
Je suis en Arizona.
Pour enseigner.
Pour enseigner. Ah, ok.
Ok, ouais, enseñar. Donc,
je suis en Arizona pour enseigner espagnol.
Oui, l'espagnol. Ouais. So in French, we wouldn't say just espagnol. We have to say like the Spanish. In Spanish, it's like el español.
Okay.
That's literally what it means.
O enseñé l'espagnol. Je suis enseigné la Universidad Norte Arizona University.
Ok. Je suis enseignant à l'Université du Nord en Arizona.
Ok.
Non, je suis enseignant. Je suis enseignant.
Je suis enseignant.
À l'université.
À l'université.
Du Nord.
Du Nord.
En Arizona.
En Arizona.
Oh, super. Oh, wow. Et pourquoi? Pourquoi?
How do you say also?
Aussi.
Aussi. Fair. I'm doing.
Faire. Oh, I'm doing. Je fais.
Je fais un maestrado en español.
Maestrado is a master?
Sí.
Ok. Donc, je fais une maîtrise en espagnol. Je fais
un maestrise en español.
Oui, en espagnol. Be careful with en. En espagnol is not N. It's not N.
En español.
Oui.
En español.
Great. Yes.
Ahora.
Oh, maintenant. Ahora. Maintenant. Oh, wow. Super. Oh, et tu enseignes des étudiants en espagnol pour débutants. Tu enseignes des étudiants en espagnol pour débutants.
¿Qué es debutant?
Débutant,
básico.
Beginner, yeah.
Sí. Porque debutante es ¿cómo se dice persona?
Oh, persona.
Debutante en español es una persona que está comenzando una actividad.
Okay. So, like, basically, you teach people that are beginners.
Sí.
Beginners, okay.
Beginners.
Okay, yeah, so my question was that, like, do you teach students in Spanish that are beginners?
Sí.
So, okay.
Oui, madame. Eu enseño español por debutant.
Ah, super. Oh, parfait. Aimerais-tu enseigner l'espagnol à l'université dans un programme de langue?
Tu enseñé el español a la universidad dans un programme de langue. Sí.
Oui.
Yo enseñé el español a la universidad dans un programa de español en facultad. Faculté de lenguas. De langue. Faculté de langue.
Oh, wow. C'est bien. But be careful. My question here was like, aimerais-tu? It means, would you like? Yeah. To teach, like, in language program.